Hi, how are you? My name is Mr. Peterson, and I teach a class called Comp and Recording, which is music composition and music recording. And I just want to go over with you our class objectives and then inform you about some of the areas that we're going to be focusing on in comp and recording. So students will learn about the many facets of being a recording engineer and a producer, which includes creating song ideas, recording those ideas, and then mixing them and then mastering them. And they will first learn how to use a digital audio workstation and then how to use the studio recording software. They will then utilize the software's pre-recorded samples, beats, and loops, and in combination with their own musical talents, create their musical masterpieces. So God has gifted each student with different abilities. Some students may be able to write and perform music with greater ease, and others may progress better as a sound engineer or producer. And they will discover their abilities, they'll discover new skills, and then they're gonna play to their strengths. Students can either work independently or in a group. Most importantly, they will be glorifying God with the abilities and the gifts He has given them. So let's go over some of the areas that we're going to be focusing on. I have 4 sections. Section 1 is Introduction to Logic. Logic is an Apple software. If you're familiar with Apple, they have a recording program called GarageBand. Logic is just a better program, better than GarageBand. It's like the upgraded GarageBand. They're going to be learning how to use the digital audio workstation. They're going to be learning all about MIDI, different types of sounds and instrument patches, and instrumental loops, and my favorite, beats, how to create beats. Section 2, song structures, how to format songs, how to create lyrics, and how chords work within those songs. Section 3, recording. This is the recording part of it, which is the mixing, which microphones to use when you're recording a guitar or a piano, how to use different effects in those recordings, learning about how to record different instruments, and how to work in a recording environment, a digital environment, recording environment. Section 4, their final projects. So their final projects need to be mixed and mastered and to completion. And to get a grade, we're going to have to upload those songs to our social media accounts, which is YouTube and SoundCloud. I also teach them how to upload their music to a third-party platform, which then distributes their songs to iTunes, to Amazon, to Spotify, Pandora, all the big musical platforms. Now there is a fee for that. Again, that is just completely optional. It's something they can do on their own. But it's something I'm going to teach them how to do it if they decide to go that route. And my goal as their teacher is to give them the tools and the guidance necessary to explore the endless possibilities of music creation, and then sharing those musical creations with the world. So that, in a nutshell, is what our class is all about. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. And I look forward to an amazing and a fun year. All right, God bless.